with another Math Olympiad question, which is really nice. 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 equals what? So let us find out. You have 4 choices. Let's start with this. So first of all, if you're using PEMDAS or BODMAS, just start from the left hand side. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then again you have divided by 5 and you have divided by 5. Now again from the left hand side, 1 divided by 5. I'm going to write it like this, 1 divided by 5, and this divided by 5 turns into times 1 over 5, and that's equal to 1 squared over 5 squared, which can be written as 1 over 5 the whole squared. Now 1 over 5 is 5 to the power of minus 1, then you have whole squared here. So whenever you have power to power, you multiply them. 5 to the power of minus 1 into 2, that's minus 2. So that's your answer. 5 to the power of minus 2 is your answer choice.